Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is in English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 9, and its title is Son of Motherland. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given below. You may click it or you can amend it for your ease. I'm going to deliver the lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 11, we will learn about expository paragraph, how we can develop a paragraph through different process or procedure based on facts. So I hope you have already remembered in grade 5, we have already learned about paragraph writing, my dear students, how we can develop a paragraph. So I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to learn further. Use appropriate vocabulary and tense to write a simple paragraph by explaining a process or a procedure. Write an expository paragraph explaining a process or a procedure. So my dear students, in this way we will cover up this SLO. My dear, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-An'am, verse number 2, He is the one who created you from clay, then appointed a term for your death, and another known only to him for your resurrection, yet you continue to doubt. Yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the creation of human being. Okay, how Allah Almighty has created human. Okay, first He created us from clay. This was the first step, that Allah Almighty has created us from clay, and after that what He did, He appointed a term for our death. Means He appointed a day for us, that how long we will survive in this world and which day will be our death day. So in this way everything He settled in sequence. Okay, first is our birth, then our whole how He will sustain us, after that how we will get death, and we will meet at the day of resurrection. Got it? So this is the process. Even Allah Almighty has also done everything in a process, okay, step by step. So let's see how we can get things in step by step. So yes, my dear teacher and my dear fellow students, I think you are ready to perform an activity. So let's move towards an activity. Get students in pairs and say them to share the process of brushing your teeth step by step as first, second, third, etc. So have you got that? This is an interesting activity and already you are doing every day, I think. So you have to discuss how you brush your teeth in the morning. Okay, so pause the video and discuss this activity in your class. So welcome back, my dear students. So I hope you have done it with a nice way, and already you are brushing your teeth. You are brushing your teeth every day. So you must brush your teeth twice a day, okay? Because it gets us away from diseases. Okay, now let's see what is an expository paragraph. An expository essay is an essay that communicates factual information. Expository comes from the term expose, meaning to reveal. An expository paragraph requires specific details and examples in a sequence. So, my dear students, there are different types of paragraphs. Already we have learned descriptive paragraph, when we want to describe things through describing words by the using of adjectives. So narrative paragraph, that narrates an event that happened in our life. And there is another expository paragraph. There is a different paragraph styles, but it depends also have on the situations, that which way we are describing, what we are going to describe. So then in expository paragraph, it means to reveal something, and it based on facts. Okay, in expository paragraph we give just facts in details, and also it gives us information, factual information. Mostly it is explaining like process and procedure, means first, second, third, like we can say that first happened that, then in this way, finally in this way. So this paragraph mostly explains process or procedure step by step and based on factual informations. So let's see, we are going to get through different examples. So here I have prepared for you that already you know, my dear students. If you don't know, so listen carefully. Here are steps to grow a plant. So how we can grow a plant? Okay, so after getting steps, you have to grow a plant. Be careful. Yes, in step 1, what we have to do, put soil in the flower pot. So you must have a flower pot, my dear students. In first step, you will put soil in a flower pot. Okay, so next step, what we will do? Yes, put seeds in the flower pot with soil. Okay, after putting soil in the flower pot, we will put seed in the soil in the same flower pot. Okay, we will put seed, sorry. So seeds of which flower do you need, which plant do you need, so you will put seed. After that, what you will water the seeds. Okay, so you will water the seeds. Okay, after that, what you will do, put the flower pot in the sunlight. Okay, so you will keep this flower pot in sunlight, because as we know that 2-3 things are so compulsory if we want that a plant, a flower must grow in a best way. So these things are very compulsory: sunlight and air, water. Clear? So water and sunlight are basic needs of a plant. After that, when we will keep it in a sunlight, so it means we have done it all procedure, so we will get a plant. This is the process and a procedure how we can plant a flower or anything else. So have you got it? So are you ready for an activity? So be ready. What you have to do, my dear teachers, you have to divide students into pairs, say them to discuss the steps, how they will strive to fulfill their aim in life. Okay, so how they will strive, you have to discuss about your own life. So what's planning you have and how step by step you will get this aim, what you want to do in your life, how you will struggle for it. So you have to discuss with your classmates and then share with your whole class. Okay, so pause the video and perform this activity in your class and then come back. So welcome back, my dear students. I hope you have done it and you have shared. Now today's, I hope, my dear teacher, you have also got that what's the aim of your students, what they want to do. Now you can guide them nicely to achieve their aim. Good job. So now in individual classwork you have to do on page number 78, there is a question number 6. Express your opinion on the following topic: my dream professions to raise the honor of my motherland. So this is a paragraph writing. So you have to write in your notebook. So my dear teacher, you have to guide to your students there so that they should write this paragraph in a nice way. So pause the video and perform this activity in your notebook. Welcome back, and I hope you have done it and you have got that how we can organize a paragraph, especially an expository paragraph. Good job. So what's your homework for today? You have to write the procedure to make a paper board in your notebooks in the shape of a paragraph. This is your homework. You have to make a paper board. Okay, so I hope you are making in rainy season, in rainy weather, when it rains. So usually students make paper board. So that whole procedure you have to write in the shape of paragraph. So yes, my dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form and try to judge that how students can write an expository paragraph. Okay. So what we have learned today, we learned about sequence words and how we do everything in a procedure. We also learned about the paragraph and about the way of expository paragraph writing. And in this way, we have covered up this SLO. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and we have got that what is being asked in this SLO. We have cleared all that. So my dear students, we will meet soon with a new lecture tomorrow, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.